Do you think tuples are just immutable lists? Well, think again. Hi everyone. Today, let's uncover the true power of tuples. They're not just fixed lists you can't change. They're much more than that. Tuples are perfect for storing heterogeneous data, different types of data that belong together, just like a record in a database. Here's an example. Here, student 0 gives us Alice's name, student 1 gives her age, and student 2 tells us her major. Each index holds meaningful data, and together, they form a record. Now, let's create a quick project to make it crystal clear. Let's create a movie record system using tuples. Now we have a list of tuples, each representing a movie with its title, release year, and director. Cool, right? The best part? Immutable is not equal to inflexible. You can still access, slice, and use these tuples in clever ways. And guess what? In the next video, we'll dive into slicing, nesting tuples, and more fascinating tuple tricks. So, if you want to master Python and take your skills to the next level, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bite-sized, informative content. See you in the next video.